Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications to stay updated every time we post a new video. The price of AMP fluctuated from 0.5748 of a cent in late January 2021 to 11.79 cents on June 17. Even though AMP achieved its peak after Bitcoin and Ethereum had already corrected from their April and May highs, the price has subsequently halved. On September 29, AMP crypto received a boost. Since its inception, AMP has shown less volatility and steady growth, hence grabbing the attention of the investor community widely. The AMP price has risen 8.15% as the crypto market has recovered. As a result, several investors have expressed interest in purchasing AMP. In the cryptocurrency asset class, the first 6 months of 2021 have been both thrilling. Before gravity impacted the cryptos, prices surged, virtually halving the aggregate market cap. At present, prices, which are considerably below previous highs, cryptos offer better value, and value-seeking investors may be taking advantage of the fall to buy some of the tokens. AMP set an all-time high on June 16 at a record value of 10.9 cents, while the crypto market was in a downturn. It declined sharply after that, reaching a low of 4.03 cents in the middle of the year.
No! God, please, no! No!
With the cryptocurrency market on the mend, AMP is reclaiming lost ground, up 8.15% in the last 24 hours. AMP is currently trading at 4.9480 cents, which is a continued climb forecast. This rally could be an excellent opportunity to get AMP before it reaches a new high. Let's pretend you don't have any tokens, and you're starting with $700. Let's say that's all you can afford. We are not going to go into detail because we are discussing a fantastic project. However, we are forecasting the future and believe that it will be able to endure the factors that we will discuss shortly. So, if you start with 10,000 AMP tokens, about $700, you'll end up with a current investment of 1 AMP token for 7 cents. So, for 10,000 bucks, you're looking at $700. So the first thing we'll advise you is that you must be able to handle the volatility. If you buy this and the coin drops to 3 or 4 cents, you should be aware of this. This is a long-term effort. So, let's suppose you diamond deliver this over to us by the end of the year, and we go all the way back with a conservative price projection of 17 cents from 15 to 20 cents, which it always brings to the table. Let's say it hits 17 cents, and those $710,000 10,000 AMP tokens you possess now turn into $1,700 or 1,400% increase. Let's suppose at the end of 2022, we're projecting around 50 cents for each AMP token, which will be 5,000, giving you a profit of over $4,000. There are a lot of things to think about, a lot of ups and downs, which is why there are some things to think about first. The human component, unanticipated adoptions, the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, and the bear dark winter issues are all factors to consider. So what exactly is the Bitcoin to stock flow model? Bitcoin is what defines how altcoins perform at times. Bitcoin was rushed in the past, such as in the year 2010, and it came in all the way hard. Bitcoin has surpassed its forecasted performance. Now we're witnessing a little bit of a decline, which is negatively impacting the price. However, it is still within the margin of error. So by this time, Bitcoin is expected to be worth roughly $80,000 per Bitcoin, and it's on the rise again. These changes you're witnessing in Bitcoin will primarily influence Bitcoin. However, Amazon currently denies that they will take Bitcoin as payment, so there's a lot going on, and we'll have to wait and see what happens in the end. However, this will benefit you in comprehending the future of the AMP token. The Bitcoin to stock flow model just explained everything, and it's quite encouraging, because the model has been correct consistently since then. Now we'll see how it all turns out. This model predicts that Bitcoin will perform very well by the end of the year, and if Bitcoin does well, we will do well, and these predictions will come true. The AMP coin has survived the recent bear market as well as China's cryptocurrency ban. The AMP token has dropped to its lowest point. We've gone from an all-time low to a high of 2 cents, to a new support level of 3 cents, and so much more. However, we've also seen all-time highs of 12 cents. That's the sort of thing we're searching for. AMP token still comes back up, and it will give us greater security and confidence that the project is, of course, worth it and deserves our attention for the long-term future. So when we look at the history, the estimates that we are giving you guys aren't all that wild. For example, in 1 year, by the end of 140 from the price that we have right now, the projections aren't all that outrageous. By the end of the year, 610% isn't so crazy. To be honest, it's not that crazy, because you'll see some estimates that are much larger than these. But as usual, do your research and keep learning about the project, because as Business Insider reminds us, the stock market has returned an average of 92% over the last 10 years. So, if we're receiving 92% on average in the stock market, but have a chance of making 140% or more, let's say half of 600 and 300% by next year, that's a terrific deal. It's a lot more than the stock market can offer. Of course, we're implying that you should pay attention to cryptocurrency. We're talking about a $2.9 billion market cap. The price of the AMP coin should climb as this percentage rises. When the investor community reckons a crypto is a good investment, it thrives to become one. In the volatile asset class, the risk remains considerable. Invest only what you can afford to lose. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video. Comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.